Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll show you how to create a modern service section with a cool hover effect using only HTML and CSS. Stick around because this will make your website look amazing. First, let's set up our HTML file. We'll create a simple structure with service cards. This structure creates a simple heading and key service card. Now our service cards have a beautiful hover effect with smooth animations. Let's see it in action. You can customize the colors, add more services, or even use font awesome icons instead of emojis. And that's it. A super simple but effective hover effect for your website. If you found this useful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what tutorial you want next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.